I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 308. This car comes with a lovely specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 players, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, along with dual zone climate control and this lovely glass panoramic roof above my head. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.